So I just filmed my drama video about all of the different platforms you can buy pre-loved goods from. And if you haven't seen it, I will link it down in the description box. It took a while to make that one, so you should definitely go check it out. I try to consolidate all of my experiences. I'm sure I left out several because I've had so many experiences. And if you go back and look through my videos, I'm sure you'll see the word fail some of the time. I mean, for a while there, it was like a regular occurrence. Didn't always happen with just the resale places. It also happened with the actual brands themselves sending me funky stuff that should never have passed quality control. Well, this particular reveal is from one of those resale sites, one of the ones that I didn't speak super highly about, and that is Rebag. I've had pretty good experiences with Rebag so far. The only one that really wasn't up to scratch, like Jesse would say, is the one where I got the green Gucci Marmont. It was listed, I think, in excellent condition or great condition, and I would have stepped it down one notch because I had a lot of creasing and it was really flattened. So I did end up sending it back, but the return was hassle-free, so no harm, no foul for me, at least with Rebag. However, the item that I got from Rebag recently, and that's in this bag, I had a great experience and I can't wait to show it to you. And I changed my clothes and everything, even though it's the same day as the last video. Now for you, it won't be the same day, but even though it's the same day, I went ahead and changed my clothes so you can see some different things, and maybe I'll match my bag just a little bit. And as you can tell, this isn't a bag, but it's for a bag. So what could it be? We got some strap action. You got it. Strap action. We love it. So I'm going to open this up and then we're going to start playing a little bit. But first, let me show you my bag of the day, or my bag of the video. So I'm currently carrying my multi-pochette accessoire. I bought this all in sections. I have all the pieces now though. So I started out buying the large pochette, and I bought it on a pre-loved Facebook page, and I got it from a reseller. Great experience. Same thing with the front pouch, and I have the long chain that goes with it. Then I decided I needed the strap, so I bought the strap. And then I decided I needed the coin purse, so I bought the coin purse. I'm not sure if I did it in that order, but I think I did. Then I bought the pink strap too, because hey, why not? So I have it all. And then I also got the strap from my Speedy 20. And I have to say, using this the last couple days, I think I like this better than the Speedy 20. Even though it's got the pouches, I just like how it's organized. It's not bulbous off the side of my body. I'm really feeling like that Speedy 20. I don't like it even as well as my Speedy 25. And maybe I'll do a video on that and kind of explain it, try them on, show you the difference. But for now, I just wanted to show you this quick bag of the video. This charm I have on the front is not the chain that it came with. The chain is really long, so it's good to wear on your shoulder for like a night out. But I really love this charm. It's got gold and silver in it, and it's from Half Deluxe. And I think that it's super good quality. I just realized that when I tried to zoom in, since I had it on somatic, it wouldn't let me show you up close, but this charm quality is quite astounding. Super happy with it. And I think on our upcoming vacation this summer, I'm going to take this bag with me, and then probably my Cameo Beige Prada Re-Edition, which is this little beauty. Both of these will fit in my Longchamp Le Pliage large tote, and so I can fit both of these in there. And then I'll also probably bring my little Longchamp backpack. I don't have that down to show you right now, but I'll probably bring that as well. So I'll have 3 bags for our 6-day trip. But I'll be well covered, you know, for all situations. This is the rain bag because you don't want to get the vachetta messed up. This is like the perfect hold everything I need bag. This one I got to pare down just a tiny bit. The backpack also holds everything I need, but it's not like super stylish. But that is my plan for vacation bags this year. I could have made a whole video about that, but that's another dollar, another day. Maybe I'll talk about each one a little bit more when we're actually on our trip. And then when we get back, I will show you those videos. But what's in this bag, and I don't know if they told me it was coming with a Louis Vuitton dust bag or not, but the price is so good, it's fine. I got a $100 credit, and it was because of one of you signing up with my referral link down in the description box to buy from Rebag. And when you do that and you make a purchase, if you use an email that you haven't used before to sign up with my link, then they send me $100 and they give you 10% off. And 10% off is better than the deal if you sign up without somebody's referral link. And the reason is because you have to hit certain thresholds of spend to get either, I think, $100 off, $200 off, or $300 off. And that's like, I think, 100 off 1,000, 200 off 2,000, 300 off 3,000. So a straight 10%'s better because you don't have to spend like one of those exact categories, and you're gonna always get less than 10% unless you're like right on that dollar amount, which never happens. What I got is a snappy bandolier strap. And you know, I don't like snappy straps, but this thick bandolier strap, I'm using it as a replacement for the fake one I got from the seller from Japan that I had to send back. And actually, I got it for about the same price. I want to say I paid about $400 for that fake strap. And after taxes for this one, I paid $432. I used that $100 on this, so it would have been like $510 plus tax. And so I feel like it's a steal because these retail for $730 on the Louis Vuitton website currently. The only marks or anything I could find on it was right there. There were some dents, I think, from this tipping over. I've got hair on it. You can't see them on that side. You might be able to see them just a little bit on that side. You can see that's just from the clasp flipping over and resting right there. But they said, you know, that there were some marks on the leather or dents. And I think that on the clasp there, that's all there was. Now, I've played with the sizing of this just a little bit. And I have found that my favorite setting is the middle one. The long one is super long on me. So I guess in Europe, and this might be kind of a stereotype, but I think a lot of people in Europe tend to wear their crossbody bags a little higher, and I like to do that as well. So the bag I had this in mind for is the same one I was using that strap from the Japanese seller with, and that is my Boulogne, or my Bologna bag, as I so tenderly call her. This strap is definitely directional. You know, this is the back side and this is the front side. But crazily enough, the way that it's laid out, you can see that the back side goes down a little lower than the front side. And that keeps it more comfortable for me. So the most comfortable way for me to wear this strap is backwards. Let me show you. I can wear it both ways, and it really depends on the outfit I'm wearing, but if for some reason I'm uncomfortable that day with what I'm wearing, all I have to do is slip it backwards and it's a-okay. So because of the crescent shape of this bag, it just hugs right into my hips, and that is the medium setting for this bag. I'm going to drop it down to the longest and show you how long it is now. The longest setting is a little long for me, in my opinion, but I do have to say I think it's a little bit more comfortable with it facing the right direction on the front on this longest setting, because the little snappy bits go over the top of my shoulder. They're not right on my shoulder or on my collarbone. This is probably the most comfortable way to wear a crossbody, unless I flip the strap around backwards. The one last setting is on the shoulder, and I don't like that way, but I'm going to go ahead and show you anyway. So this is the shoulder strap option, and I do not really care for wearing it this way because it feels like it's going to fall off my shoulder. I mean, it's not, but that's what it feels like to me that it's going to go. My favorite way to wear the strap on the shoulder is with the strap it came with, and that is this one. I really like all the details on it. It has a little hook here that you could put a coin purse or a charm if you wanted to. So I could move this little coin purse up there. And it really depends on what height you have this strap set at, whether you have it on the shortest, the medium, or the long one, if the coin pouch will hang in the right spot. I do think it hangs nicely there. I also like it just clipped to the bag though. The coin pouch is not part of the bag generally. It comes with this snappy strap, which I don't like on the full length because it hurts my collarbone because of the snaps, but I do like the middle length, and I don't know if I usually use it on the shorter length or not. I can't even remember. The last time I used this bag, I didn't even get this leather strap out. I used it with another one that I'm going to show you here in just a minute. So there is the shortest length. I do think I like that length best, but only if I'm using the strap it came with. And you guys know I like using my straps. I like mixing up my straps. So this is the best vacation strap ever. It's black and it says Louis Vuitton, but it's tonal, so it's like super subtle. And I got this on the pre-loved market. It's one of the more expensive straps I have purchased. These straps go for a lot of money, and the most I've ever paid for one is $750, and that hurts. But man, if you can use them on multiple bags, or if they just make it so where the bag is your favorite thing ever, then I think it's worth it in terms of cost per wear. But I absolutely love, love, love the Boulogne bag with this strap. I do feel like it gives it a totally different vibe to put it with that canvas strap. And I like that canvas strap best on that shorter setting where the bag is about right here. But if I'm going to wear it with this strap, I like it just a little bit lower. This is higher than it would be on the longest length of the snappy strap, but lower than that shorter length, which is the middle length. I hope I'm not confusing you all. I just kind of wanted to show you some of the options with regards to straps for some of these bags that are monogram with the black trim. So these are the 3 straps of the day. This one I like best for shoulder carry, either the short or the middle setting. This one, I think I like that middle or the longest setting the best because it's really just too wide for shoulder carry. And then this last one, again, too wide for shoulder carry in my opinion, but definitely my favorite in terms of comfort for crossbody. Now, in terms of looks for crossbody, these 2 straps, they're having a race. They're like neck and neck on the horse tracks. And so you'll have to let me know what the favorite is, and then maybe we can determine a winner. But I hope you've enjoyed this strappy video. If you have, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.